Good morning, everyone. Today, we'll be discussing about degradation of soil and its conservation measures. Soil erosion and depletion are the major threats to the soil as a resource. Both human and natural factors can lead to degradation of soil, means they degrade the quality of soil, right? They harm the quality of soil. Factors which lead to soil degradation are deforestation, overgrazing, overuse of chemical fertilizers or pesticides, rain wash, landslides and floods. Now, deforestation. Why deforestation is responsible for degradation of soil? Because trees are responsible for holding the soil together, right? They hold the soil together and they do not allow wind or water to wash away the layers of soil. But since the way the trees are being cut, it is very easy for wind and water to wash away the topmost fertile layer of the soil. When the topmost fertile layer of the soil is washed away by wind or water, automatically the quality of the soil gets degraded. Overgrazing, again, it's similar to deforestation. Overgrazing, these small plants, small shrubs, they even hold the soil together. But when these cattle, they graze the land, and when overgrazing is there, again, the topmost layer of the soil is washed away. It is most vulnerable to erosion, and it is washed away by wind or water. And hence, again, the topmost layer of the soil is washed away. Overuse of chemical fertilizers or pesticides, again, it disturbs the pH balance of the soil. Rain wash, landslides and floods. Now, method of soil conservation. The very first method is called mulching. Mulching means, the bare ground between plants is covered with a layer of organic matter like straw, and it helps to retain soil moisture. We are covering the area. If you see, right, the land is covered with certain material so that the moisture of the soil is retained. Plants are there, right, and the land between the plants, it is covered with a material like straw and other material. It can be covered so that the fertility of the soil is, so that the moisture of the soil is retained. This is called mulching. So what is mulching? The bare ground between the plants is covered with a layer of organic matter like straw, and it helps to retain moisture. Method of soil conservation, another one, that is contour barriers. Stones, grass, soil are used to build barriers along the contours. Contours are these lines, right? These are the contour. We are planting. Look, the level of the soil is raised. Often stones are put so that soil cannot be washed away with the flow of wind or water. So stones, grass, soil are used to build barriers along contours. Trenches are made in front of the barriers to collect water. These holes you see now, these are the trenches. They are used to collect water. So water conservation is also there, and also the soil is not washed away with the flow of wind or water. So we have discussed about two methods. One is your contour barrier, other is your mulching. These two methods are there for soil conservation. Now, if any query is there, class, you are free to ask me on your WhatsApp group. Thank you.